Hey everybody, it's Rob Nazarian with Talk Android, and we're here meeting with Qualcomm and Vuforia, which is the augmented reality division. It's really grown up to 1,500 apps, or 2,500 apps available. Is it 2,500?
That's right.
Yeah, 2,500 apps available now between Android and iOS. And I got Jay right here to tell us about some cool new stuff.
Cool. Thanks, Robert. Well, I'd like to start off by showing you Big Bird's Words. Big Bird's Words uses a brand new text recognition capability in Vuforia to help children learn to read and build their vocabulary. So what we're going to look at here is Big Bird's Wordoscope. And Big Bird has given the child some words that he needs to go find in his environment, whether that be in a book or a magazine or anywhere around the house. So in this case, the child's being challenged to find the word milk. And we have a cereal box here, so I'm going to show you what happens when we go and point at the word cereal.
You're good at finding words. You found this one, cereal. But we're looking for another word. Look for milk.
So you just heard Big Bird tell the child, hey, you found cereal. That's not the one we wanted. Go see if you can find milk. But it did give him the opportunity to also learn cereal and see what it looks like. So let's be a little smarter about this and actually use a milk carton. And we'll go and find milk.
You found it. Milk starts with the letter M. Milk.
And now Big Bird has also given the child other related words to help build his vocabulary. Goat produces milk, a cow produces milk. So really excited about this. And Sesame has actually announced that Big Bird's Words will be available this summer. And Qualcomm will be making the text recognition feature available in Vuforia this spring. So developers will be able to build experiences just like this. Now, I've got a number of other examples of applications that have been done with Vuforia in the last year. One I'd like to show is in the educational space, and this is one that was actually done for the University of Illinois Nursing School. And they were challenged there with a lack of cadavers, of all things. And what we can do here is visualize a very detailed model of the human body. And you have to imagine this being at full scale. But we're going to show this at a smaller scale on a phone, and you can see here I get a very detailed model of the human body, and I can go and turn off different layers. So here I just turned on and off the muscular system. We can look and turn on and off the skeletal system. But it's a great way for nursing students to learn about the body and to be able to do so without a cadaver and at full scale. So one of the other things that we've been seeing is a lot of companion applications for newspapers, magazines, and books. And what we're looking at here is actually the latest Guinness Book of World Records. So inside the Guinness Book, and you'll see on the cover here, it says Augmented Reality, see it in 3D. So there's a Vuforia app that goes with it on my Android phone, and I'm going to launch that, and I'm going to turn to the Animal Oddities page. And on the Animal Oddities page, we see this spider, and you'll see when I look through my phone, this giant spider actually comes out of the page, and now he's going to jump up and get really angry at us. But it's a great way to experience some of the more interesting stories inside the Guinness Book of World Records. So I'd like to show one more application here, and this is another phenomenon that we're starting to see with companion applications for printed publications. This happens to be the Ballard Designs catalog, and this is the most recent catalog, I believe, from over the holidays. And I'm going to turn to one of the pages here, and I'm going to pull out my iPad.
We're using an iPad here, so that's
we're
okay.
Switching away.
We'll let you.
I appreciate that.
But it works on Android too, right?
It does. So you'll see when I hold over the page that now all the different products on the page have white boxes around them.
Just get up close up.
Can you see those?
Yep.
So now as soon as I touch on one of those products, I have the ability to add it to cart, add to favorites, or get more information. Everything I could do as if I were actually on their e-commerce website. So what we're doing is using the mobile device to turn that paper catalog into an interactive e-commerce experience.
Awesome.
Which really, really neat. So we're excited about that, and so are so many of these retailers that are doing this type of thing.
It's fantastic. We saw some really cool stuff last year, and a year later it's getting cooler. We're looking forward to another great year of Vuforia.
Great. Thanks so much.
Thank you.